Every company wants a candidate who not only memorize concept but apply their skills to a real world problems. And I believe I'm a perfect fit for all the roles related to software development. Why so? Let's learn it through my video CV. Hi, my name is Sukhreet Kaur and I am currently pursuing BTech Computer Science at Lovely Professional University and have acquired 9.2 CGPA till my pre-final year. Apart from my academic journey, I have worked on various projects related to different domains such as web development, data science and Android development. I have accomplished a major project under web development named as Daily Stream, where creators can post their content with the help of data analysis, AI and a best platform using full stack technology. And under data science stream, I have created a website related to human crime data where I have analyzed the past 20-year data to help all the NGOs to determine the key factor affecting the crime rate in a particular region. I'm also working different projects under Android development. Apart from my development skills, if I talk about my problem solving skills, I have worked on 635 problems on LeetCode and have acquired many gold badges and various certificates on HackerRank. And with all my skills, I personally believe that I can do my best and prove myself in the technology sector and are always curious to work with tech industry and for giving my best. Thank you.